The Ringke Flex S. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the Ringke Flex S cases for iPhone X. They come in 3 colors and are also available for various smartphone models. These cases provide a professional look for your device. This was sent out for me to review, and as always, I provide my honest and unbiased opinions in my reviews. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. Inside the packaging, it comes with a thank you card. This comes in red, deep blue, and brown. The packaging is very simple and eco-friendly. Just rip open the top to unwrap. The case is made of a TPU and a synthetic PU leather back. You can see the buttons are covered and the cutouts on the bottom for the speakers and charging port. The camera cutout provides decent protection. And the edges are pretty flexible. It has a good amount of grip on the back and it has a wavy finish to it. Installation is pretty quick and easy. It just slides in with little effort. And you can see the case is very thin and it does not add any bulk. And the buttons are well protected. You can see the raised bezel, so it provides some decent protection on the front. And the camera is recessed in the cutout. Buttons are easy to press and responsive, and it has good grip on the side and the back. Here is the deep blue version. Everything is the same, buttons are covered, and the cutouts on the bottom. Again, installation is very easy. And there you have it. It provides a nice, sharp look to it. And finally, the brown version. Flex S case by Ringke. This gives your device a professional look while adding some protection. This is not rugged protection unlike the Fusion X, but it will help provide a decent level. The cases have some vibrant colors and are easy to install. It has a good amount of grip and it won't slip out of your hands. And as with many cases, I prefer to add a screen protector just to give additional protection on the front screen. These are inexpensive cases and are perfect for those that are looking for a more professional look. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.